Do you want a simple and effective way to make trading decisions? Then the daily open strategy might be just what you need. The daily open strategy involves waiting for the daily open and observing the price movement. If the price goes up after the daily open, the place where the day opened becomes a support level. If the price goes down after the daily open, the place where the day opened becomes a resistance level. Let's take a look at a 30-minute Euro to US dollar chart with two intraday reactions that demonstrate the effectiveness of this strategy. As you can see, the daily open acted as a support level when the price went up and as a resistance level when the price went down. Please note that the daily open strategy should not be used as a standalone strategy. Instead, it can be an excellent confirmation tool when combined with other volume-based strategies. The more signals and confirmations there are, the better your trading decisions.